And today the saga continues. What you have to do is use these tools here, which is a spanner wrench, a spanner fixed, and a spanner adjustable. And what you do is you have to catch in on the flats right here of the nut. And sometimes the nuts are really tight, so what I do is I get a piece of aluminum and I put a piece of aluminum in the crack and I give it a couple of taps right here like this. And it's going to remove the nut counterclockwise. It's going to remove the nut counterclockwise. So that's what you do. You put this in the little area of the cutout piece that's in the crack right here, and you give it a couple of taps on the hammer, and voila, you're able to reach your hand in here and spin it off. Spin it off just like this by hand. And I'm going to continue to spin off the special nut that's on the CNC mill. Just about got it off. Okay, here it's coming. And bingo! The nut is off. It has a spacer on the back side of it, as you can see here. And here's a better look at the nut in the grooves. You have to take out set screws. There's one set screw. There's another groove. And there's another set screw. Now what makes this interesting about this type of spanner finger is it only has 3 slots, which is like a piece of pie. It's not an even across slot to where you could grip it. A special tool has to be made. Well, I didn't have to make a tool because I got pretty lucky using my piece of aluminum to beat in the cracks counterclockwise, and the aluminum won't hurt the steel. So that's the other part. If you use something steel, you're going to hurt these grooves. Anyways, that is the saga for today. I got the spanner finger off. Now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to have to remove these 6 bolts here. There's a bolt here, here, and here. And there's one over here, here, and here. Now I'm going to have to remove those bolts so I can slide this whole keeper all the way over to the right. And that's how I can get the bearing out that's inside there. I have to slide it out of the shaft. Anyways, that is the thing to do to get your CNC mill running again. And this is a special video to my newest and best buddy, Alejandro Cano, and he makes a very good selection of Mexican food as well. Bye for now.